Want to know how to build a mini calendar for any month in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how I can do it. So, in this code right here, we have used a simple method that is local date and day of week. So you can see multiple times right here, local date, as you can see on the 6th line, and day of week in the 11th line, and much more. So right here you can see other if else statements as well. So we have simply used for loops, while loops, and some really cool methods, which is interesting as well. So I'm just going to show you how it works. So what it does is we use those two methods as I had mentioned just now in order to figure out what day the month starts and how many days it contains. Then we loop from day 1 to the last day and align the output so it looks like a real calendar grid. So it's super simple, accurate, lightweight, and great for understanding Java's date and time API. And that's it. By the end, your console will show a full calendar for any month you choose. So you can just simply run this code in order to see how it works. So as you can see, it has just simply created a small character right here just by using some statements. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.